poppin', y'all? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a brand new restock video. I am super pumped for this one. All slime is going to be 20% off in the shop for this restock, and then also if there are any leftover holiday slimes like from Christmas and things like that, it's going to be an extra 10% off of those. So you technically get those for 30% off, so that's really cool. Get some savings. That's pretty awesome. We are starting the restock off today with Date Night Lip Gloss. I literally had no idea what to call this, but to me this looks like a lip gloss. And hello, Valentine's Day is just around the corner, so everybody's going to be going on date nights and things like that. So the name just kind of hit me like that, and that is how I came up with it. So this is a milky pigmented slime, so it does have pigment in it, but it is scented just like a strawberry bubblegum. So it's not the clearest slime ever, but it is kind of like milky looking. It's definitely clear, but more on the opaque side. It does have a lot of sparkles in there. There are glitters that are topped off. There are heart glitters and then also iridescent glitters to make it sparkle a little bit extra, like a lip gloss would make your lips, basically. And yeah, it's really cool. This also does have a color shifting pigment into it. However, you have to go out into the sun to see it because it reacts to UV light and it will turn it purple, which is really cool. I wish I got to show y'all that, but maybe I'll show y'all on my Instagram story. Passion fruit jelly slime is a jelly slime that is scented like strawberry lemon. I unfortunately don't have a passion fruit scent, so that is what we went with this here, just because it's kind of like tropical-y vibes. So I don't know. I don't know why I thought it was strawberry lemon, but it's a bop. It's really, really nice. It's actually still clearing up here, so if you can see at the bottom, it's a lot more clear than it was at the top. So yeah, it gets even more clear, even though it's scented. It's amazing, and I love all the little add-ins. So there are black beads in there to represent the little passion fruit seeds. And then also there are pink, yellow, and green glitter hearts that are actually iridescent in here as well. And then there's also some green sequins in there as well, just to give it that little extra oomph. I love this jelly slime so much. It's super smooth and jelly feeling and just really squishy and fun. I love it. I love me a good jelly slime. I don't know what else to say. Make way for the queen of a unicorn slime shop. This is my baby, Chanel #2. She is our #1 bestseller in the shop. Literally always sells out and is just so amazing. It is a thick and glossy, bubblicious, bubblegum scented slime. If you haven't gotten a Chanel in the last I think two or three restocks, we'll probably just say 3 just to be on the safe side. If you haven't gotten one like in the past 3 restocks, you definitely need a snatch. The scent is just a little bit updated, so it's a little bit more sweet and a little more realistic, if that was even possible, to a bubblicious bubblegum. It smells really good. We kind of mixed some things together and got it really nice. So I love it. It's very thick, very glossy, like I'm showing y'all here. Mine in the video was a tad bit underactivated, but I was living for it. It felt really, really nice. Cupid's Crunch is so freaking cute. I literally can't even get over it. I am so excited for whoever gets these slimes because it's so pretty. I just love it. So of course it comes topped off with those glittery foam beads. There are red, pink, and white ones in various sizes. The base is what honestly is probably one of my favorite parts about the slime, besides the beads obviously. But it's a really cool like color shifting kind of base. So it's like an iridescent white, but it also shifts to pink and red. It's really, really cool. This is also actually scented, not even lightly scented, just like regularly scented, like strawberries and champagne, which of course is Valentine's Day goals. I just love it. It's super, super nice for bubble pops. It's very fun to play with. The foam beads are not too big, so where it's like awkward to play with it. They're just like the right size, and I love that. Cherry Cordial Blitz is a white glue slushie that is scented just like chocolate covered cherries. It's literally one of my favorite treats during Valentine's Day, which is my favorite holiday, by the way, if I haven't said that a million times already, or in like the past restock videos, but it really is my favorite holiday. I just love everything about Valentine's Day. This one here is inspired by the Cherry Cordial candies. If you've never had those before, they're chocolate covered cherries, but they also have cream inside, which is just so freaking good. You need to pick them up if you haven't. The first 15 of these slimes are going to come with a cherry charm, which is super cool and just adds to the aesthetic of the slime. There is some chocolate sprinkles, chocolate chip sprinkles in here, as well as some red chunks to represent cherries. And then there are also some red heart sprinkles in there as well, because it's Valentine's Day and I just want to throw, you know, hearts and everything. It's not Valentine's Day, but it's Valentine's Day season, so get with it. Baja Blast is another one of my best sellers. It's actually my second best seller. It does really well in the shop, and we almost always have it stocked because we make so much of it, and you all seem to really, really love it. So this one here is scented just like a Baja Blast soda, and it is a hybrid textured slime. It is a hybrid between an icy and a cloud slime, and if you haven't had one in recent times, we have revamped the texture. So it's a little more like a cloud slime. So when you first play with it, you almost feel like it's super soft. It's just gonna fall apart, but once you work with it a little bit, you can see it compacts very nicely, and you can, you know, play with it. It's nice and holdable, or you can also drizzle it as well, just like a cloud slime. It's really, really fluffy and nice, and I love it so much, especially because the scent, it smells literally just like a Baja Blast soda you would get from Taco Bell, which I would love one right now, just saying. Watermelon Pop Rocks. There is a funny clip for this slime here, so just keep on watching. But this one's a really cool slime. It is a clear slash white glue hybrid slime. I couldn't get those words out for some reason. Scented just like a mixture of real watermelon and also sour watermelon candy. It smells really good. The first 30 are going to come with a watermelon charm. I literally just dropped the slime on the floor. How does that even happen? The slime literally just rolled off the table. I don't know why, but you know, you do you, boo. Anyways, this slime is really cool. It's a really nice gummy texture, and then there's also a bunch of micro foam beads as well as some regular sized foam beads in there for crunch, and then there are also some green fishbowl beads on there just because I thought it would complete the look a little bit and make it look a little more cute. And yeah, I really love it. It's super nice for bubble pops. It's very crunchy, and the initial crunch on it is amazing, as y'all heard earlier. And yeah, I love it. It smells really good as well. Lavender Snow is a really cool icy cloud hybrid slime, just like Baja Blast, and this one is scented like grape candy. It also comes topped off with this really nice blue color shifting iridescent holographic glitter. You'll be able to see that on the actual listing on my website. You'll be able to see how the glitters look on top of it and things like that. But this slime is really nice. It has that same Baja Blast texture. This one, this video that I took, it was a little bit stiff, so it looks a little bit different than the Baja Blast that I just showed y'all, but this one was shot when it was a really cold day, and this is actually a slime that was in the Christmas boxes. So this is a pretty old clip, but it's still the same slime. We had a bunch of leftovers, so I just packed it up, and we are going to be selling it for you all because a lot of you all actually liked this slime when I showed it on Instagram. The slime is super soft, and I love the sizzles and the color. The light lavender color is just so beautiful. And lastly, we have another clip from my Instagram here at Unicorn Slime Shop. If you're not following, just saying. This is Celebration Waffle. It's a slime that I stocked, I believe, before New Year's Eve. Yeah, it's really nice. It's a DIY butter slushy, so it comes with a little clay waffle that is marbled with white and yellow on top, as well as some sprinkles on top there for you to mix in yourself. It's really nice. It's actually scented just like waffles, maple syrup, banana, and blueberries. It smells really good, and it's just really fun to mix. It creates a really nice and soft yet crunchy texture, and it's a A1, really good. Alrighty y'all, well that is pretty much it for this restock video. I really hope you all enjoyed it and found something that you would like to purchase. Do not forget the shop does open at 6 p.m. Central Standard Time, and all the slime is going to be at least 20% off, which is awesome. You get to save a little money and still get some slime. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you very freaking much, and I will see you all next time. Bye!